Hello students, today's lesson is about rewriting formulas. Rewriting formulas to express a variable, that means to isolate this variable in a part or in a side and all the other variables in the other side. Like this example, if I want to express or rewrite the formula to express x, so I will isolate all the terms that contain x in a side and all the other terms in the other side to make x isolated in a side. So here, let's read this example. X minus a equal b bracket x minus c. So first, I cannot deal with this formula like this. I should distribute the b among this parentheses. So here will be x minus a equal b multiply x minus b multiply c. Then here, this term contains x and this term contains x. I should make all the friends of x together in a side and all the other variables in another side. So I will add minus bx to both sides. So I will make here minus bx and here minus bx. So this will go with this. Here will remain x minus bx minus a equal minus bc. But still here I have a, and a is not a friend of x, so it will go to the other side. So I will add a to both sides. So x minus b x equal a minus bc. So here I have all the friends of x in a side and all the other variables in another side. Here, x is a common friend between these two terms, so I will get it out. So I will take x as a common factor. From this term, if I took x from this term, 1 will remain, then minus bx divided x will be b equal a minus bc. Here I want to isolate x alone, so I should divide by all the things multiplied by x. So I will divide with this parentheses. So x will be equal a minus bc over 1 minus b, and this is the final answer. Again, let's revise the steps we did. First, I should distribute any variable among the bracket multiplied by. So first we should finish any parentheses that I have. Second, I should collect all the friends of x in a side and all the other variables in another side. Then I should divide by what multiplied by x to make x alone. Let's see another example. Here, again, we have a parenthesis, so I should finish it first. I will distribute a among the first term and the second term, so it will be a b x plus ac equal x. So here, I have here a friend of x and I have here a friend of x, and this is not a friend of x. So I will do what? Yes, I will make this x run to the room that contains x friends. So here I will minus x to both sides. So here will be a b x minus x plus ac equal, this will go with this x minus x equal 0. Do not be confused and don't make it 1. X minus x equals 0. Then here we have a visitor that we don't want, so I will minus ac both sides. So a b x minus x equal 0 minus anything, we cross the 0 and write the term as it is. So it will be minus AC. Here we have two friends of x, so I will collect x outside. So here x, open a bracket. Here if I divide by x, AB will remain, then minus x divide x equal 1 equal negative AC. So I want to isolate x alone, so I will divide by this bracket. So this bracket will go with this bracket. X will be negative AC over AB minus 1. Let's see another example. Here we also have a bracket, so I will distribute it first. So it will be AX minus AB. Don't forget minus C equal D. Deal with these variables as it is numbers with the same rule of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of signs. So here I only have one friend of x. I will keep it alone. So I can add here A, B and add also plus C together. So this will go with this and this will go with this, and don't forget to add them in the other side. So AX will be equal D plus AB plus C. Then I want x alone, so I will divide by A. So x will be equal D plus AB plus C over A. Okay, let's see another example. Also here, I will distribute it. So A will be equal B C X minus B D. Here I have this friend of x. So this is a visitor. So I will add BD to both sides. Why I am adding BD, not subtracting? Because if I want to get rid of a term, I get rid of it by its inverse operation. That means if I have something subtracted, its inverse operation is adding. If I have something added, its inverse operation is subtraction. If I have something multiplied, its inverse operation is divide. And if I have something divided, its inverse operation is multiply. So here I get rid of this term by adding or doing the inverse operation, which is adding BD to both sides. So here will be A plus BD equal BCX, and this will go with this. Then here I have BC multiplied to x. So according to this rule, if BC is multiplied to x, I will get rid of it by its inverse operation, which is dividing by BC both sides. So BC will go with this BC. So x will be equal A plus BD over BC. So we should take care of inverse operations, and we should take care of that. We should finish all the parentheses that I have by distributing first before dealing with rewriting formula. Thank you, and meet you again in another video.